So tonight we just got done with the hiking trail. I need a fast supper for my family, so this is my go-to meal. Cabbage and sausage, sauteed together in one skillet, pinto beans in the other. Everything can be done from start to finish in about 30 minutes, and it's a hearty meal that my family loves. So, my little chef here is going to help me out tonight. So he's taking off the exterior leaves of the cabbage. Let's take off one more, okay? Get out that one. Tell y'all a funny story on myself. I was in the camper just a minute ago, stressing out that I had forgot the can opener. So I'm going through my backpack like, what do I have? What multi-tool or something can open the cans? And then Alyssa goes, Mom, they're pop top. This is the sausage that we're gonna use. So Jesse, why don't you cut it here in the middle, and then if you're working with half of it, it makes it a little easier. And then just set half of it aside. I like to quarter mine, but you can cut it however you want. I'm gonna go ahead and light my camp stove and get my skillet hot. Bottom of the skillet, olive oil or avocado oil, whatever you guys good. Now, a lot of people boil their cabbage. A lot of people drown it in water. Personally, I don't like to do that. I saute my cabbage, and when I cook it with sausage, I like to have my sausage on the bottom so that my sausage can brown on both sides a little bit, and then I put my cabbage in on top. Jesse, go ahead and have this in. Thank you for chopping it for me. Okay, my sausage is starting to turn brown, and that is just how I like it. So now I'm going to add in the cabbage. Hopefully it will all fit in the skillet. So the only thing I have in the bottom of here was a little olive oil, then my sausage. I just added my cabbage. I'm going to saute my cabbage for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to let it get a little brown too. And then after it does that, I'm going to add in the smallest little tidbit of water. Alright, when I say a little bit of water, just a little bit of water. Just like that. The cabbage and sausage has been cooking for about 12 minutes, and as you can see, it's really wilted. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my beans. I did not want my beans mushed, so I haven't turned them on yet. And then I figure in about 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes, the beans will be hot and this will be completely done. That's how fast this is, guys. I'll go ahead and turn it off and add some salt. I always add my salt in at the end because I feel like if I do it to start with, that I'm gonna have to do it at the end again anyway. So I just wait, and then it's not as much salt. Not that I mind eating salt. Okay, I do want to clarify one thing. I call this a 3-ingredient dinner. So the beans, cabbage, sausage that made the main three. But I did also use salt, olive oil, and the tiniest bit of water. So technically 6-ingredient dinner. Now we're ready to eat. Who's ready for supper? I put this in one bowl. So I do beans on one side, cabbage and sauces on the other. Then cleanup is at a minimal. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got inspired. I can make this meal for around $12 and it feeds my family of 6. It is the quickest, fastest meal I know of, and my family really enjoys it. So please check out the other cooking videos I have, and have a great day.